This video overviews the Avigilon Alta H6SL Bullet cloud-native camera and the Junction Box. This camera provides direct-to-cloud connections to Alta Aware, Avigilon's cloud video management system. For specific information on the camera, see the appropriate documentation. The installation guide can be accessed on the website. Let's take a closer look at the Junction Box. Located here are the points for installing the camera to the Junction Box. Highlighted here are the mounting hook slots. These slots hold the camera to the Junction Box while connecting the required cables. These mounting holes are used for securing the Junction Box to the mounting surface. Next, let's take a closer look at the camera's rear view. The Ethernet port accepts an Ethernet connection to a network. It also receives power when connected to a network that provides power over Ethernet. The mounting screws are used to secure the camera to the Junction Box. Located here is the serial number tag, which provides device information, part number, MAC address, Alta key, and a QR code. To add cameras to the Alta Aware video management system, scan the QR code. For more information, see the installation video. While connecting the required cables, use these mounting hooks to attach the camera to the Junction Box. Located here are the power and input-output cables. These cables connect the camera to the auxiliary power and I/O devices. Highlighted here is the configuration panel cover. Remove the cover to access the SD card slot and the link and connection status LED indicators. Located here is the microSD card for onboard storage. The amber link LED indicates if there is an active connection in the Ethernet port. The green connection status LED provides information about the device's operation. For more information on this topic, consult the appropriate training video. Next, let's take a closer look at the camera's side view. The adjustable mount arm is used for positioning the camera. The sun shroud should only be removed when the camera is installed indoors or in areas with limited space. The adjustment screws provide a locking mechanism for the mount arm. That completes the summary of important information for the Avigilon Alta H6SL Bullet cloud-native camera and the Junction Box. Before installation, familiarity with the key elements will expedite the installation process.